Hey, what's up everybody? It's ZeKe here, and today I want to talk to you about something that's super debated in the drumming industry, and that's how do you use your bass drum foot? Now, one thing I want to say before we get going on this is, I tell all my students when they walk in the door and they're learning how to play drums for the first time, everybody's body's different. We all have different anatomies, we've all had different injuries, we all have different genetics, so not everybody's body is going to work exactly the same. I just explain to them what works the best for me, and then I tell them to find what works best for them, going off that as kind of like a guide. So I just want to make sure that everybody knows, I understand everybody's body's different, and I'm not saying that this is gospel. This is just the way that I've used my foot technique, and it's worked out easiest for me over time. The biggest debate that I see when it comes to foot technique in drummers is, do I play with my heel up or do I play with my heel down? For me personally, the best analogy that I can use on how I use my bass drum technique is like dribbling a basketball. Now, in your foot, your ankle has this flex that allows the toe of your foot to move forward like this, going up and down like that, okay? Now, the reason why I use the analogy dribbling a basketball is because if you have a basketball in your hand, you're not gonna palm it and touch it to the ground and pick it up, you know what I mean? That doesn't make any sense. You're gonna use that flex and that flow in your wrist to bounce the ball off the ground. This is essentially the same exact thing that I'm doing with my foot on the bass drum pedals, okay? I'm using my toe to push the pedal forward to throw that beater into the bass drum head, okay? The motion is a lot just like my ankle going up and down, if you can see that. Yeah, that's a good angle. Let's take the camera down to the bass drum though, so I can show you a little bit of what I'm talking about and how I use my bass drum foot. Remember, like we talked about earlier, everybody's body's different, but what I've found and what I've seen with pretty much every student that has walked through my door is this is the fundamental technique that is the most efficient, easiest way to play the bass drum and get it to do exactly what you want it to do when you're playing. Alright guys, it's all your turn. Hop on your drum kit, go try this out. See if this helps you, see if this makes the bass drum easier for you to play when you're playing anything. Grooves you're practicing, songs that you're working on with your bands, anything like that. Just go give it a try. If you do though, make sure you take a video of it and tag me in it. That's one of my favorite things to do, is when people send me videos to watch of stuff that they're trying. It's just so interesting to me and it always inspires me to go practice. So make sure you do that. That's all I got for today though, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like and leave a comment down below. I have a ton of videos planned for the rest of 2020 for this YouTube channel. I'm just planning on dumping content in it throughout the rest of the year. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't miss out on anything. I hope everybody's living good out there. Keep practicing, and I'll see you guys later.